What's going on now, YouTube? This is your boy DTG La Familia coming to you live today with another banger today. Today is a day where it's gonna be a much visiting day for me. Today is gonna be a day where I'm gonna be visiting my family in Westmoreland. Going back to my country. I haven't seen them in a very long time now. So me and my cousins here, Duff, going to them right now. So you guys just stay tuned for the ride. We're gonna show you what's going on right now. Currently, I'm very hungry. We're gonna get some food at Bada. That's where we can get some jerk pork and some jerk chicken. So as soon as I'm there, I'll turn the camera back on so you guys could see what we're having down here for our lunch. No, this is my favorite spot when I'm coming to Westmoreland. Got the best jerk chicken, best jerk pork, best cup of soup. You got everything here that you like in jerk wise. Jerk pork, jerk chicken. This is jerk pork. Alright, so this is the outcome of my lunch. Some jerk pork. This is how Jamaican jerk pork is. Very delicious. I got to festival to eat with it also, and a little cranberry water. So I'm gonna fill my belly right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the post notification bell so that as soon as I put my video up, you guys can get it, and you could see more of my beautiful country. You could see my everyday living, and it's only gonna get better and better because I'm gonna be coming with prank. I'm gonna be coming with who knows what. You just stay tuned and enjoy every video. Alright guys, we're finally here in Westmoreland. Nope. We're in Sablamar now, guys. Finally reach a country. You see, Pre? Yeah, man. I go look for your family because I go a long time and I see you and they miss you, so You know, DTJ is like a family type of guy, you know. He doesn't have a lot of friends, but he has a lot of family though, trust me. So, you know, I'm a family man. I always stick with my family. That's how I do it. Don't know about anyone else. Alright, finally reach a country, you know. See what I go on people them place, yeah. And you know that their country, it's a zinc everywhere. Zinc gate, zinc door. Boy, go and sit down. Wow. And place. So what go on, Brad? Yeah. Up top settings, man.
Skin.
Skin.
But you're king.
Skin.
Skin. Skin.
Where, Kelsey? Country girl. A country girl, man. Where? Big old a country girl, that be Kelsey. You're a country girl, man.
Where you born?
Where me born? No must Jamaica, me born. Where you born? Country? Big head, where you beat me over big head?
You deaf say my head not big like for you.
Could your head look mad, girl? Eh? Could your head or your head mad?
Mad
Eh? Could your head or your head mad?
Mad
Eh? Come on, mad head, girl, Kelsey. Come on, man.
Wow.
Come on, man. Make you people them see your head mad.
No. Sure.
Make people them see your head mad, man, Kelsey, man. Yeah, I'll come and see a newborn baby, so our next La family and this band same way.
My camp.
You understand? And for anyone that want to know, it's a boy, uncle and nephew, you know? Sure. Don't worry, man. I soon for your time now, man. You're guilty now, but you know, you soon boss, man. You soon get one too. One thing about country life, when I come, got fruits, everything. Coming back. And bag of apple. You see that? That's Jamaican apple. Alright. This is the apple. So you know, so look more. And tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and then nothing normal. May I tell you? Heading back home now. You know, after a long day.